trend I'm seeing the most in forensic technology is just the rise in diversity of data that we're faced with daily on the projects we work on. Data is coming out of non-traditional sources more and more. Really every project we work on has a bit more nuance to it. So as a result, we need to bring together a lot of different talents to the table in order to properly do our work. It takes digital forensics expertise to make sure when we're collecting information that we do it soundly and that it accurately reflects how the data was held in the normal course of business. But we often need really expert folks that understand how this data works as well and the back-end systems of it. So whether it's a SQL database or similar underpinning it or different kind of language, our folks need to really understand that, extract that information out, and then transform it in a way that legal teams can review it and make sense of it, produce it to opposing parties if necessary or to regulators, and a way to make sense to them as well. And so we're needing to kind of not only collect and process like we've done for years, and we're actually needing to sort of invent new processes all the time to do this and then make sure they can stand up to the rigor of an investigation or court proceeding. Emerging AI technologies will certainly have an effect on our industry, but I don't think in the most obvious way. We for long have used AI and machine learning technologies to get through large chunks of information. I'm sure the newer technologies will be used in a similar way, but not to totally eliminate the need for humans to be involved in figuring out what information is relevant and which information is privileged. I think where we'll actually see the technology affect our space is the underlying disputes and investigations that we work on have some AI technology at its core be at the issue, whether it be the legal use of that product for whatever business use it may be, or using it for some sort of fraud scheme. And so our folks will need to be able to extract information from either those platforms or the way that they were used and help the parties involved make sense of it.